Yeah, thanks for the question. Obviously, look, I'm not an accountant, so everyone's situation and exposure, you should always double check with an accountant first. But what I do understand is that you can become a tax resident out there. Obviously, you need a visa, and one of the best ways, easiest ways to get a visa out there, the golden visa, is to buy a property over 2 million dirhams, about £400,000. And from the UAE's perspective, you only need to be in the country 90 days in the year. It used to be 180. So it's relatively easy to base yourself out there. The hard thing is meeting the requirements to not pay tax in the UK, and there's so many tests, and it's not just a case of how many days you spend outside of the UK, but there's links that reduce the amount of time that you can spend in the UK, and there's a formula to it. This is why you need an accountant, but just to put it broadly, is if you own a family home, if you own a business, those are contributing factors, links back to the UK, which means that your time in the UK is much smaller that you can spend. But having said that, if you become a tax resident in Dubai and you meet the thresholds to not pay tax in the UK, you can effectively pay yourself a salary to manage your company, which is based in the UK, whilst you're there, and that money is tax free. And obviously, a salary is not a dividend; it's a taxable cost to your company, so it reduces your corporation tax down as well. So, for argument's sake, I've said that magic number many times on TikTok, where you can pay yourselves about £50,270 per year, say you and your partner, your wife, so earn about £100,000 a year, and your